most of the companies today, they may just look at the experience but not the educational background. So here, majorly, what we're looking at is the quality of the resume in terms of the background, the education background, and most of the companies today, they may just look at the experience but not the educational background. But here, it is little different. Here, we see most about 80% of the folks who are working here are from major internet industries. Like you'll, especially in the engineering team, you'll get to see folks from large companies like Amazon, Flipkart, even Microsoft, Walmart, a lot of product-based companies, and most of them are from tier one colleges, and that's something that's a basic criteria that we look for when it comes to engineering.